13 tenets.
And in this project, we worked together with the law department of Leiden University to develop a website focused on children's rights.
Our aim was to create a central place where documents, toolkits, and other resources on children's rights can be searched and accessed.
We hope that our project can help children learn more about this very important topic.
Welcome to Leiden University's Children's Rights Resource Center. This is the main page where users can search topics on child rights using the search bar in the middle. Below the search are 4 tabs that link to key pages on the website for easy access. Users can get started by searching any topic related to child rights. Search results can be filtered based on several criteria such as source or language. They can also be sorted in ascending or descending order based on relevance, date published, and date indexed. When a user clicks on a result, they can see the document's details as well as access it and download it from its respective source. There's another search bar at the top of the page if the user wants to refine their search. The How to Use page helps first-time users navigate our website by providing detailed instructions on how to make the most out of their search. Additionally, they are provided with several important keywords to help them get started, and clicking on them leads them straight to the results page of the search. Although the UN document search only takes UN materials into consideration, its structure is very similar to that of the general search, including the same filters with the exception of source. Users can see which materials have a child-friendly accessible version marked by the easy-to-read tag and access it from the details page. The Know Your Rights page serves as an accessible starting point for everyone that wants to learn more about children's rights and advocacy. It contains multimodal resources where users can explore children's rights, where they come from, and the UN Human Rights Treaty bodies. On the Child-Friendly Materials page, users can find accessible versions of important documents regarding children's rights and advocacy, as well as helpful resources on other topics such as safety and climate litigation by clicking on the tabs. Finally, the Advocacy Tools page focuses on the topic of advocacy and how people can get started to influence positive change within their communities. Users can access advocacy-related resources by clicking the tabs on the bottom of the page. This was our demo for Leiden University's Children's Rights Resource Center. Thank you for watching.